What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. During this bull run, I'm trying to capture kind of the most projects that I could capture because honestly, when you think about memes and you think about, popularity, it's all about what you can get into that's going to take off. It's kind of a gamble. It's a little bit of a crapshoot, and you have to find the right plays that really work all of the memeable areas, right? Whether it's meming things from previous bull runs or memeing a play on words or memeing something that's brand new, right? You see the level of impact that it could have. And I'm always trying to find those, right? And be invested in some of those. Now, I don't want to sit here and influence anybody's decision on whether you should or should not get something. What I want to do is kind of open the door, open your eyeballs to the fact that these things are out here, maybe research it a little bit more, and then see what the opportunities may have or may be in front of you with that play. And if you decide to buy that position, know that you'll feel confident that you believe in the position because you decided to buy it for you. So I want to talk about SafeMuun. And no, this is not the SafeMuun that you guys are thinking of. I know you guys remember the SafeMuun from the previous bull run where they kind of got the meme coin trend started. Yes, Dogecoin has always been around, but SafeMuun was definitely it to where a lot of people were investing a ton into that. Now, obviously, they didn't really do the best of jobs with staying with that meme, no matter how much popularity they did have. But this bull run, we have a new SafeMuun, one that seems more memeable. The website seems more like a meme as well, which brings popularity to it. And we've already seen a decent amount of movement, throughout this last week or so, week or 2 weeks that this has really been around. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Now, also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. But don't forget about all of the links for SafeMuun down below. I will provide those at the top of the description. But if we look at SafeMuun's website, this is what it looks at. You look at the drawing that's in front of you, and you have kind of like this drawing of this new SafeMuun, this project, and it looks like something that's put together, maybe by like a seventh, 10th grader or something, drawing a rocket ship with a logo there, which honestly is memeable. That's what makes it have that popularity. It's relatable, right? Something where it's not really necessarily about the care on the true website. It's about the popularity that comes with it, right? It's about how the coin really grows. And that's what I do like. Now, again, the website is very, very simple. You go through here, launching to the moon safely, introducing SafeMuun, the intergalactic token that's here to send your portfolio to the moon and beyond. Are you tired of boring, bland tokens that make you yawn more than they make you earn? I mean, maybe. Say goodbye to snooze-worthy investments and say hello to SafeMuun, where every transaction feels like a roller coaster ride through a meme universe. So honestly, like they're playing on those, like have those play on words, and these are the ones that have been kind of the most popular, right? You've seen different plays that have taken off. If you look at what Joe Biden coin, which is kind of like Joe Biden in a way. It's like a play on words, play on his name, and you see that making a huge move. Like I even have that up. And I think the market cap for this is $214 million, where you're looking at a circulating supply of 690 million, 24,000 holders. Like this is where the play on words really mean a heck of a lot for a lot of people. Where it's Joe Biden, but you have this to where it's Geo Bowden, right? So you see those play on words that can work, and with SafeMuun, you understand how it's spelled. Safe Moon, as in going to the moon, but you have moon as in MUUN for SafeMuun here. But yeah, how to buy? You can buy with Phantom. It is a Solana coin there, so you can buy with RAYDIUM if you wanted to connect there. It's very simple to do. I know a lot of volume and a lot of money and time and people are going through the Solana chain. So that's where you can see a lot of that activity, a lot of that movement with this play. And again, very, very simple website, very straight to the point. It reminds me of what we saw with Book of Meme, right? Book of Meme had a very simple website to where they didn't even change the background at all. They didn't put any images. Really, they just took a bunch of images that were like GIFs or something and placed them on the screen, right? That's the kind of the simplicity that you really want, because it's not about building the most crazy website for a massive use case, because it's not that. It's the memeability, it's the popularity of it. If we go into the chart, what's going on with SafeMuun? The price for SafeMuun is at about 16% of a penny. It has $111,000 worth of liquidity, $1.5 million market cap. If you look at the last 24 hours, it is slightly down. The last 6 hours, it is slightly down as well, down about 2.8%. And the last hour, it's up by 17%. We saw this move quite a bit. It's been out here since the 17th of March, to where it did decrease here, and now you see this kind of on a rise from a low level of 6.1% of a penny, all the way up to this high point of 31% of a penny. So you would have gained quite a bit of a return, not only 100% or 200%, but looking up into 300, 400, 500% range that you end up gaining with just that type of movement. And we're back down to this level. It looks like we're stair stepping up by seeing these ascending levels of support. So honestly, with all that and understanding that the volume, you do see a lot of volume through the Solana chain, you see $2.1 million for SafeMuun here. So again, it really opens the door for a lot of people to say, yeah, this could be it, or it might not be it, right? It opens the door for a lot of possibilities, and the unknown is what makes it very, very interesting for a lot of things. So again, I've been searching for some things. I go through Deck Screener all the time and look for some big plays, some plays that have run a little bit, plays that haven't gotten introduced on CoinMarketCap yet, and I'm trying to see what I can really, kind of dip my toes into, or dip my hands in, and just try and gather some of it to see it take off, like a Shiba Inu, or like a Dog with Hat, or like a Pepe, or something like that. Because honestly, a lot of the meme coin volume is flowing through Solana, so why not see the same thing here? So anyways, this is something that did pique my interest a little bit as an opportunity. Now, I just want to let you guys know that obviously this is not financial advice. When I look into something, it's not to tell you to go and buy it. When I look into something, it's to tell you to, hey, give this a chance, research it a little bit. Maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't. There are so many opportunities out there that we can't all have 100% bangers with us, but we've seen the crypto market, and when the crypto bull market happens, everything really moves. You don't really see anything that goes in more of a negative way or negative light. You see everything move. So I'm excited for this bull run, because I'm trying to open up the door for so many different projects. So you guys go ahead and check out some of those links down below. I'll provide all the links for SafeMuun. Also, if you want to follow me or follow me on Twitter, ask me some questions, those links are down there as well. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.